place flood out. Everything
No,
in the...
hold on. Tell me, you were in, what happened? You were to sleep?
Yes, Rosie and her family were sleeping. Waking up, feel water and waking up. Right through the house, right through the bathroom. I wanna jump up and look, there is water. Many water, like Elsha. Call the contractor. We need the contractor. Night table, mash up. Touch lamp, mash up. Blood screaming there, mash up. Many water, like Elsha. Many water, like Elsha. Call the contractor. Westard, we need him. Westard, we need him. Westard, we need him. Westard. Day here before my maiden take and we never see it yet. Name brand furniture, name brand bed, and name brand car. But I want back everything. Flooding like Elsha. And shit water and gully water like Elsha. The baby them could have been drowned in Elsha. Call the contractor. We need the contractor. For the 30 grand bed in there, no 30 grand dresser. For the 30 grand vagina, 30 grand rat, not 10 grand name brand. Justice, we need justice, we need. Nice pretty clean skin baby they could have been drowned in. Them a sick on dead. Laptop, phone, everything flooding like Elsha. And shit water and gully water like Elsha. The baby them could have been drowned in Elsha. Call the contractor. We need the contractor. For the work ya. We start. We need him. We want back everybody. Everybody. I want disinfectant. Cheers. Dettol. Soap powder. All type of thing to clean out the house. The baby them get meningitis.